Okay, we made it in.
We made it. It was a little bit of a journey, but not too bad.
No, we attempted yesterday and we didn't have the credentials to get in, but it's all good. We got them today.
Yeah, so of course between October 1st and 18th, Acadia is doing like vehicle reservations because of like COVID and stuff. So the two places we wanted to come to, you have to like get a reservation. So we got one. We're here.
We're here. So what is that, right? What is that, Sand Beach over there in that area?
Sand Beach is to our left. Yeah. And then I don't know what's to the right, but I just know it's beautiful.
But it is Acadia National Park.
National Park, yeah. Yep, up here in Bar Harbor.
Let's check it out.
Let's go.
Remember last year when we were in New Hampshire at Sketch Rock?
Yes.
Well, we might be back at Sketch Rock 2.0.
Yeah, we're back at a lot of Sketch Rock.
So,
there's like a path, you know, like along the road that you can take to Sand Beach, but we're just kind of scaling along the rocks.
yeah, it feels less dangerous than Sketch Rock 1, but it's still, you know, one bad step and...
Yeah.
What do you think about this?
This is so cool. Look, what? Like, where even are we?
Okay. I know we're gonna go down there and see it, but
yeah, we literally, I feel like we are on like the edge of the world somewhere.
yeah,
I
I mean,
that doesn't make sense, but like we're literally like walking through mountains, and then you come around the corner and there's a beach, like nestled in between two mountains.
like a beautiful beach, clear water, looks like clear water down
Yeah, it's. I feel like I'm in a different country. It's crazy.
there. Yeah, pretty incredible.
Yeah, prettiest place I've ever seen. Sand Beach, we made it.
We made it to Sand Beach.
And it's as pretty down here as it looked like up there.
Yeah, it's beautiful. I gotta say that was one of my favorite little treks up to a destination.
Mm-hmm. It like literally when we were looking at it, I'm like, that's gonna take us all day to get down there, but realistically like 5 minutes. But we just stopped like 50 times.
Yeah, it would have been a 5-minute hike, but it turned into an hour.
Yeah, so it really didn't take that long, and it's beautiful.
Yeah, clearest water I've ever seen. Like, and that's crazy because we're from Florida, and there's a lot of clear water down there.
But this is beautiful, so we're gonna go check it out and then head to Thunderhole.
It's like Springwater Beach.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. You ready to go check it out?
Yeah.
Let's go. So, Thunderhole.
Yes.
All right.
It's not very aggressive today.
No, it's calm out today, which, you know,
it's okay.
I think I'll take that. I don't really like the wind very much.
Yeah,
so.
no, I'll take it. It's still really pretty.
Calm seas today.
Yeah, but it's really cool. It's like a little not bridge, but a little walkway kind of out over the water, and it's supposed to be like waves crashing, but it's still pretty, so we're gonna head down there and check it out.
They've made it really easy to access, but you ready to get down there and get some good look at it, get some cool video of it? Okay, knock lady.
Oh, sorry. I was looking at directions.
All right, so that was kind of a bust.
Yeah, a little underwhelming, but that's okay.
But, you know, it's cool. There's
Can't
other
complain.
cool YouTube videos with like it just crashing
Yeah.
and everything, but
Yeah, it's okay.
so what's next on our list here?
That's what I'm trying to figure out. So there's another trail that's like right up the road, the Beehive Trail. And I read that it can be kind of sketchy. And they advise if you're afraid of heights and like cliff edges, not to do it.
Okay, I'm nervous about both of those, but
But it's okay. So we'll see. So we might be checking that out. So stay tuned.
all right, maybe y'all see me have a panic attack.
Alright guys, so we're at the bottom of the Beehive Trail. It's really pretty so far, all the leaves. But stay tuned. If you don't hear from us, then we did not make it to the top.
Oh, we're gonna make it.
We're making it.
Okay. I thought we were about to do a 3-mile hike.
Yeah, it said 0.3.
I missed the decimal point.
0.3, but it's got to be like straight up from here because we're not even close to the top of the mountain.
I would say I'm bad at math, but I think I'm just getting older and I can't see as good.
I think that's it.
So,
We'll see y'all at the top.
0.3. We can handle 0.3.
Yes, we can.
See you at the top.
All right, another video, and I'm out of breath. But this time it's justified because we're literally like scaling a mountain.
We are climbing bars in the rocks right now, and
Yeah, little like rung bars. It's okay.
it's a little
sketchy.
I mean, it's pretty sketchy, but
We're safe. We're good.
we made it so far. So
We're
let's see if we
close.
make it rest of the way.
Show them where we are. Me?
Yep.
I'm good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You can't
Not
see.
too bad, not too
You
sketchy.
can't see all the sweat.
Few ladders.
Yeah,
We're
it's
good.
okay. Just on a cliff face, but.
All right, what is this called again? I forgot after all the ladders I've climbed.
What trail?
Yeah, what trail?
It's the Beehive.
The Beehive. This is like the most popular one, right?
Yeah, well, one of the most popular.
Okay. That was a pretty good one. That was a pretty good one.
It was good.
A lot
It's
of-
got really cool views. Really
got-
looks over the entire like Atlantic Ocean.
Yeah, so you get to see some fall foliage, some Atlantic Ocean.
Sand beach. It looks over Sand Beach.
If you do it, be sure you can climb ladders because we did a lot of that. But
That
this
was
is
awesome.
this is pretty cool, man. So glad we've come here.
Yeah.
All right, just left top of Beehive, and of course it's gonna get windy.
It's like a gust.
But we took a detour to Bowl Lake.
Bowl.
It was a 0.2 mile detour and totally worth it. So
Yeah, I think they've got a little trail too that you can kind of walk around the lake. But I think we're
Yep.
gonna head to the car and kind of regroup and see what's next.
yeah. All right, downtown.
Yes, we were literally about to head out of Bar Harbor, heading to our next place, and I'm like, I don't even think we've seen the downtown, and it's supposed to be like so cute, and of course it's on the coast. So
Yep.
on our way out, we're like, let's check it out really quick.
Let's go check out the shops.
Let's go.
Maybe we can find a bite to eat too while we're down here.
We hungry.